Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after NFP, we got to see some crazy moves. Dollar recovered sharply, made a high of 104.08 and ultimately closed at 104.04, and gold witnessed heavy fall. Gold closed at 1948. This is the last traded price of gold here. If you look at the news, then the news was mixed. Though the US employers added a big number, 339,000 jobs, which was far more than expected. Expectation was around 190, 193k, and the number came out to be 339k. It was humongous, but the news was mixed because the unemployment rate was 3.7%. Previous it was 3.4%, expectation was around 3.5%, and it came out to be 3.7%. As a result of which, when the news came out, there was some mixed response from the market. If you were live, then probably you also noticed that dollar rose sharply right after the news. Again it came down. It was in fact, we also got to see some red candles, but dollar recovered again because of this huge number. And yes, DXY is bullish right now, and hopefully we will get to see the continuation of the trend on Monday as well. So where is the next stop for DXY? A dollar, and the next stop for DXY is the previous high. And if the trend continues, then obviously in this market condition we will get to see a trend continuation as well. So right after the market opening, you need to observe how DXY is doing or responding, and there's a high chance that DXY will continue the uptrend and we will get to see weakness on gold. In case right after the market opening, if you see DXY coming down, do not consider it as a trend reversal. It will just a retracement or correction. And if DXY comes down for correction, then you can expect the dollar to take support around 103.80, 103.85, this particular level here. And in this market situation, we can definitely hope that after some correction, DXY or the US dollar will try to bounce back again. So this is all about DXY. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. So gold closed at 1948. To be honest, I was not expecting this humongous fall because when right after news, I was live. We were live trading, and to be honest, I had a sell position on Euro USD because Euro USD was trading on a narrow range here. So I took a sell on Euro USD and I exited immediately because I'm not a big fan of news trading. Okay, but when this fall came, I was shocked. Anyways, let's discuss the opportunities for Monday. So first of all, in this market situation, taking a sell position is the best thing because the trend of the market has changed. If you look at the overall trend, if you go to higher time frame, then obviously you'll get a different picture. This is a weekly chart, and you can see that on the weekly chart, market is an uptrend, and this is just a small correction. So if you're a positional trader, if you're a swing trader, then your trading strategy will be completely different. You should be looking for buy at support levels. But if you're a day trader, or if you're a trader who prefers to take position for a couple of hours to 1 day, 2 days, then in this market situation, taking a sell position is the best thing you can do. So on the chart of gold right now, the strongest support, the strongest support or the best buyers are around 1909 to 1910 level, where they are around 1909 to 1910 level. This is the next strong support zone on the chart of gold. Why? Because you can see that we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. If we do not consider FIBO here, then we don't have any support, because we can clearly see on the chart that there is no strong immediate support here. The next best support on the chart of gold is around 1800 level, which is far away. That's why we are only considering Fibonacci here. 1909, 1910 level, is not a very strong support also, where you can expect a trend reversal. For example, 1800 level have the potential to reverse the trend of the market. For example, around 1800 level, okay, this level have the potential strength to reverse the trend of the market. But the level of 1909, 1910 does not have the potential for strength to reverse the trend of the market. You can expect a minor bounce. You can expect a bounce of 60, 70, 80 pips. If market takes support in the future, then by next week, we can look for a buy position. So 1909, 1910, yes, deserves a position, but that level also does not have the potential or strength to reverse the trend. Okay, so right now the market structure is not very positive, so taking a sell is the best thing you can do right now, or it should be your strategy. Secondly, if market breaks 1931 level, then we can see that there is a big gap here. So there's a high chance that if market breaks 1931, we can look for a sell as well. Because if market breaks 1931, we do not have any immediate support here. We do not have any buyers around here, strong buyers. So yes, if market breaks 1931, market will head towards 1910 level. I'm not saying that it will hit down 1910 on a single day, but at least you can expect that market will be heading towards 1910 level. It can be a trade-off at least 250 to 300 pips if market breaks 1931 with good amount of selling volume. So the strongest support on the chart of gold is around 1909 level. But considering the market situation, okay, we can only expect a minor bounce around 1909 level. And on the other hand, if market breaks the previous low of 1931, we can see that we do not have any presence of strong buyers around this area. So there's a high chance that if market breaks 1931 level, market will heading towards 1909, 1910 level, and we can take a sell position. Okay, now market closed at 1948. So to understand this part of the chart better, we are moving to the 1 hour time frame. So first of all, do we have any immediate support on the chart right now? So the question is, do we have any immediate support on the chart right now? To find out any immediate support on the chart, we need to draw Fibo here. Right now, we are on the hourly time frame. You can see here that around 1942-43, around 1943 here, we have Fibo 78.6% retracement level. Why we're considering Fibo 78.6 here? Again, this is not a temporary support. You can just expect a minor bounce, because you can see when markets start falling, try to understand my point here. When markets started falling, this was the level from where market tried to bounce. So it gave us a confirmation that okay, though it did not work, but yes, we can expect a minor bounce. Again, when it came to Fibo 38.2, we got the confirmation because we got to see a minor bounce again. So this was a clear-cut confirmation that Fibo that we're considering here, okay, is definitely correct. And lastly, when market came to 61.8, selling pressure was too much. Okay, but still you can see that market tried to bounce. So this all happened. This all happened under the influence of news. So on Monday, when there will be no impact of news, you can definitely expect a temporary bounce around 1943 level here. Around 1943, you can definitely expect at least a quick scalp opportunity. If market takes support, if you see the market is showing price rejection from below, you can consider a buy around 1943 level as well. But if you see that Monday market is surprising us with good amount of selling volume, then obviously you should avoid. Why I'm considering 1943 as a quick buy opportunity? Because usually we do not get to see much volatility on the first half, during the first half of Monday. So if Monday acts like a normal Monday, you can hope that we will get to see a minor buy opportunity of at least 30 to 40 pips. But in case market breaks with a candle like this, okay, then obviously you should forget about taking a buy position. And right after the market opening, if you see the market is going down, okay, Right after the market opening, if you see market is going down, you can also take a immediate sale also right at the market opening. If you see that dollar is going up, then you can consider as a sell as well. Okay, but taking a sell right at the market opening can be a little bit risky. So if possible, try to avoid. Okay, because market has already shown considerable downtrend, it's time for some retracement. Always keep in mind, in comparison to breakout or breakdowns, taking a position at retracement is always the safer thing to do. Okay, so right after the market opening, there's a high chance the market will be going down. Okay, so if that happens, you can take a sell right away, but it's a little bit risky, so it depends on you. And if market shows some retracement or recovery, again we're considering FIBO here. Okay, because apart from FIBO we have got nothing. Okay, no. So right after the market opening, if market tries to recover like this, then around 1956, we can expect some selling pressure. If again I'm saying, if Monday acts like a normal Monday, okay, when there's not much volatility, if market shows price rejection from above, if you see the market is struggling around 1956 level, you can definitely take a sell position. And in case market goes up, then we have 1961 to 1959 as a good resistance. And in this market situation where market has already witnessed heavy selling pressure, means sellers are dominating. Try to understand the market sentiment here. So in this market scenario, 1961, 59 is equally a very good resistance where you can expect sellers, presence of strong sellers. If market reverses, you can definitely take a sell position. Why? Because you can see that around this area we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, we have multiple moving averages. Okay, so this is whole sellers zone 59, 60, 61. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now. Hopefully you got my point. If you have if you're new to the market, then watch the video again and write down the levels. Okay, because I have also explained the logic behind it. I know that long videos are very boring, but I never wanted to be a teacher, but right now I'm a teacher, so I consider it as a duty and responsibility to explain things so that those who cannot afford any classes, those who cannot afford any workshops, they can also learn. Because my workshops are the cheapest in the whole world, I believe. But there are many people from Asia, Africa, those who cannot afford right now, they can also learn just by watching the video. That's all. That's my motive here. Okay, so hopefully you got my points here, my difference. And anyways, enjoy the weekend. Spend quality time with your family. Give time to your family, and follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye. Take care.